Canada Work Permit Refusals, Indian Students Action Plan. If you're an international student in Canada or planning to study here soon, you've likely seen the headlines. This is Guru Immigration, and I am your host, Joseph. Recent updates from Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada have left hundreds of graduates, particularly from India, facing sudden work permit refusals. The biggest sticking point: clarifications around non-credit programs and public-private college partnerships, which are no longer eligible for post-graduation work permits, PGWPs. For many who spent tens of thousands of dollars expecting a path to Canadian work experience, it's a frustrating and stressful moment. But understanding where the rules stand right now is your strongest advantage. What has actually changed? Here is the reality of the current policy landscape. Number 1. Strict program eligibility. If you're enrolled in a diploma or non-degree college course, your program must align with designated labor shortage fields, like healthcare, trades, or STEM, to qualify for a PGWP degree. Graduates, bachelor's, master's, PhD, remain exempt from this specific field list. Number 2. Mandatory language testing. All PGWP applicants must submit valid in-person language test scores, CLB 7 for degree holders and CLB 5 for non-degree holders. Number 3. Application timing. You have 180 days after receiving your official final marks to apply online. Important note: flag polling at the border to process your PGWP in person is no longer allowed. Now, the action plan. What should you do? So, if you're currently studying or preparing your application, what steps should you take today? Number 1. Audit your eligibility before applying. Check IRCC's official list to confirm your designated learning institution and exact course CIP code meet PGWP criteria. Don't rely solely on verbal promises from admissions agents. Number 2. Take your language tests early. Test slots fill up fast and results can take weeks. Having approved results ready ensures you won't miss your application window. Number 3. Maintain valid legal status at all times. If your study permit is nearing expiration before you get your final grades, extend your student status or transition to a visitor record before it lapses. And finally, number 4. If you've received a wrongful refusal, don't face it alone. Consult a registered Canadian immigration consultant, RCIC, or immigration lawyer to explore formal reconsiderations or judicial reviews. Friends, Canada's immigration system is shifting toward high-demand sectors. Staying informed, verifying your paperwork directly with official IRCC sources, and planning your timeline ahead of time is the best way to safeguard your future. Stay focused, stay proactive, and take it one step at a time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share with someone looking for this information. Yes, your comments would be replied.